Hi, welcome back to another YouTube video on Kylie's channel. And today we're basically going to be slime making, to teach you how to make slime. Let's get on to the video and the steps. So first you're going to want to roll up your sleeves, because if you're new to slime and you really want to make it, it's going to get messy. You're going to need any glue of your choice, shaving cream, contact solution, I just use Saline solution, paints, a mixing tool, and something to put your slime in. First, you're going to want to add a tad bit of glue. Oh god, that's a lot. Next is the shake foam. You're going to want to shake it so it's not like all watery. And now let's pour it. I think that's enough. Oh, wow. Ding, ding. So next you're gonna wanna mix it, and then we could do the color of your choice and then the Saline solution. So you're gonna wanna keep mixing till you get to like this consistency. You're gonna want to try to get it to this level, watery, where it looks like cake batter, and then you're gonna want to add your colors. One that I'm gonna pick, drum roll please, light blue. So let's put purple back. You're only gonna want to put in like 4 drops, I believe. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 3. So now we're ready for the Saline solution. So let's add that. Now let's mix it. You're gonna want to keep stirring it and adding more of this till it starts sticking to the spoon and you can almost pick it up from the bottom. So I'm gonna need to add a little bit more. So I have it a little bit ready, I think. Fingers on my side. I'm going to want to keep mixing it until it sticks to the bowl again, and then add a little bit more, and then it might be done. Now you're going to want to add a little bit more since it sticks to the bowl, and then mix it. Yeah. Fingers on my side. Alright, so now I'm going to pick it up with my hands. You're going to want to knead it until it doesn't stick to you anymore. And this kind of helps for me, so it might help for you too. And if it doesn't stick to whatever you have, then you might be able to set it down. But first, I don't want to lose my slime for right now, so I'm just going to keep kneading it. And this is the final results. I'm going to leave a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.